I'm going to go over this BougeRV Telescopic camping light, and this version right here is the T1 version. It's a 3,000 to 1,000 lumina value. It's 90 hours of runtime on this thing. It's IPX5 waterproof, 3 hours to get a fully charged, and you can see it's 66 inches tall. Get a USB-C to USB-C charging cable. You get these stakes. The stakes are for the feet right there. You basically just push these down, and then you put that in so it doesn't get knocked over. There's a lot of different modes on this. There's an instruction manual right here that kind of breaks down all of the modes and how to use it. And I love the compactness of this. It almost looks like the size of a thermos. And let me just go over the functionality on how to get it out of here. So there's a hook right here on the bottom. If you want to hook it and hang it inside of a tent, see how these just pop out and lock into place? And then you would stake it down with the stakes just like that so you don't move it around. Then to use the telescoping of it is lift this up like that. You can see you can articulate these to however you want. So if you want all of your light going that way, you can turn them all that way. If you want to go one up and then two back, you could do it just like that. On the top, you have the SOS, which is plus and minus for going up and down, power button, and then this is the mode button. And then when you want to put them back together, you just rotate them back facing outward like that, and then push this back down in there just like that. Let me go ahead and click over to some nighttime footage and show you this thing in action, because you know what? I think you're going to like what you have to see on this thing, because I've had several products from this BougeRV company, and I've been very impressed with everything they offer. So yeah, let's do that now. Let's go ahead and let's put this little BougeRV light to the test. So let's hold down that. There's the one beam right there. Look at just one beam. Look how bright that is. Now you can see you can turn it that way or turn it up and turn it completely down like that. Let's hit it again, hit the button again. There's 2 and 3. There is 3 of them right there. Check that out. Check out how bright and how lit up that is. That's lighting up my entire campsite here, everybody. And then if you want to turn them up, 1, 2, there's the 3rd. That is as bright as it goes. If I want to turn these 2 that way, and then this like that, look at how I just projected the beam that way. And then if I want to turn it back, we can project the beam this way. So if you're camping over here and you want to project the beam out, that's where that's such an advantage. I really like that a lot. And then if you want to change the color, right here's the button. Now look, I've got it in this color right here. There's the 3 different modes of that one. And then if you want to do red, we've got red beam right here. So that way you're not using up your light, your night vision, and you can have it on pretty much all night. And there's different settings on that too. There's the 3 on that. Then you can see I hit this button right over here and check out what I got here. So that's like a safety light. Look at that. Is that not crazy that you can use that as a safety light? So you could set that on the side of a car and have it blinking and just have it going all the time. Hit it again. Hold down the button right there. If I hold down this one, we get the little spotlight so I can use it like a flashlight. This has so many different features. Look at this. I'm carrying it around like a flashlight now. Now, the third, another great feature of this thing, you can slide it down, turn these inward like that, hold down the button right here. Now you have a light that's just projected forward like this right here. Y'all see that? So if you want to project the light forward, you just stick it down in there, then it projects it out right there. So it's also like a little lantern like that. That is cool, everybody. Versatility of this thing and how many features is on this is just crazy. And I think it's like one of the most premium lights I've got in my like setup right now, and how you can hang it, you can set it up on a tripod, you can have it all different ways. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the BougeRV Telescopic adjustable light. See you on the next video.